Pro Floors TV. I am your flooring specialist. In this video, a difference in Versabond and LFT. Alright guys, so I'm using the LFT for marble, and then I'm using the Versabond. They're both Versabond, but this is LFT and this one's not. So I've been using this one for the subfloor for the hardy backer. And then look at the color of this. This does not look white to me. It has like a tint color to it, kind of beige. It's crazy. It's even in the here. It even looks like that. I just poured it. I was like, what the? So I'm definitely not using this for the marble at all. Because then that would give you a different color. Like this is here, let's check it out. This is the I'm not gonna put too much because I don't want to make a mess, but this is the LFT. Okay, that's the LFT. Now this is the Versabond. Look at that. What the? That's crazy. Two different colors. They both say white. They both say blanco. They say white. So I don't know about y'all, but that is totally different color. And you can even see it in the bucket. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this just underneath the hardy backer, but I'm not gonna be using it for the marble at all. Matter of fact, I mean, the only time I've seen that kind of color is when like masonry guys tint add some kind of coloring tint to the powder itself, but kind of like for grouting or whatnot, like masonry work. But that is what that is looking like. That is crazy. I thought I showed y'all. So that is that. So I'm gonna be laying this marble right here. We are working on the walls. Walls are 3x6. Walls are this stuff right here, and this is going to be the floor for the whole floor, including the shower floor. Believe it or not, if I were to use half the room this color, I mean this, and then I switch it to this on the other half of the room, eventually, I mean if not right away, eventually with time, you'll start noticing two different shades in your marble. You'll notice that one side is whiter and the other side looking like darker. And it's because of the variance in the color of Thinset. That's why it's important to use the right Thinset when you're using marble. I like to use Pro Light. I use some Pro Light on the wall. So on the floor, however, I'm gonna go with the LFT. That's just the colors right there, so you can notice them. And right here, you can see it clearly. I put some of the LFT that I had mixed just for the sample on top of the Versabond, so you can clearly see the difference in the color. Versabond, it's not white. Yes guys, so for the ones that don't know, the white marble needs to be with white Thinset. This Versabond right here isn't white. Why? I don't know. It should be white. So luckily the LFT, at least that one's white. Before, a long time ago, it all used to look white. At some point they made a change. For some reason did not advertise it. I think they probably downgraded the product when the new LFT came out a few years back. So when you're installing white marble, make sure you use a true white Thinset, because look at this picture. On the left side is a darker shade, and it's only like that because the Thinset has not dried yet. The right side is a lighter shade, and that's the color that the left side is going to eventually dry to, because this was the day before. The point being, if you were to use gray Thinset, which by all means you could, but be aware that the white marble will turn a darker shade and darker than what you would have expected. So remember, Versabond white isn't a true white Thinset. Go with LFT if you're going with a Versabond. So I'm going to finish this by saying, if I were to use that Versabond that's advertised as white on this white pretty marble, it would turn it into a nasty yellowish looking marble, which is pretty messed up. So anyhow, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.